2021 Illusions Football Hobby. Good luck, Jonathan. Thanks for hopping back in. See if we can get you. Looking for 3 autos and 2 memorabilia. Again, this is a newer product that was released on Christmas Eve. Empty. Here we go. Good luck. Rondale Moore. Do we have here? Zach Wilson, Instant Impact Rookie Jersey. All right, I feel like we were missing a card out of that one. Yeah, there was only 4 cards. There should be 5 cards a pack. That one is not numbered. Probably have an extra in another one. Illusionists Acetate, Rookie of Kyle Pitts. Not numbered. I feel like that's been happening a lot out of Panini products lately. There's like one that'll have a couple cards, and the next one will have a bunch of them. We've got Zach Wilson rookie base. Wilson box so far. Fajoko rookie. We've got a Trey Lance instant impact patch. Back-to-back packs with rookie QB patches. There you go, Jonathan. That one is not numbered either. And then we've got Clear Shots Acetate of Justin Herbert. Not numbered. All right, next pack. Elijah Moore rookie, Taysom Hill. We've got Yellow Diamond out of 249, Sam Darnold. And Clear Shots Acetate of Charles Woodson. Michael Carter rookie. Pat Fryermuth rookie. We've got Rookie Visions. That is 8 out of 10. Rookie auto for the Texans, Davis Mills. Nice low-numbered Mills there. There you go. 10 is the jersey number. Nice. And Mystique Acetate, Trey Lance. Marset rookie, Gronk. We've got Fuchsia to 399, Simi Fajoko rookie. Filler. Shining Stars, Najee Harris, acetate. Ian Book rookie. Rogers, Danny Dimes. Exclusive ink out of 50, Chris Johnson for the Titans. There you go. Chris Johnson to 50. Then we've got King of Cards, Mac Jones. Acetate, not numbered. All right. We're looking for one more auto. Trey Lance, rookie. JK, Sam Darnold, bronze to 499, Allen Robinson II. And Shining Stars acetate, Zach Wilson. Not numbered. Wongwu rookie. Ayuk, Derek Carr. We've got First Impressions. RPA to 299 for the Vikings, Amir Smith Marset. Amir Smith Marset out of 299. Allen Robinson Illusionist acetate. Yep, the floor was open and then 2 orders came in. That can change very quickly as soon as orders come in. These are Illusions, 2021 Illusions crown. But there's not a long queue right now, so if you want to hop in, it'll be about 10-15 minutes tops. Got blue out of 149, Kadarius Toney rookie, and acetate Clear Shots of Aaron Donald. All right, last pack here for you, Jonathan. Kittle, Amon-Ra St. Brown rookie, Baker. We've got to 399, Zach Wilson fuchsia. Nice. there. And last card, a Mac Jones Mystique acetate. Not numbered. All right, there you go, Jonathan. Congrats on those hits. Thanks again, and we'll get this right out to you.